Marubeni Group, a 100-plus-year-old Japanese business house with diverse stakes from cereals to paper pulp and from mining to aerospace, has invested $100 million in D-Orbit, the Italian space logistics firm providing in-orbit servicing, transport and debris cleaning. Other lead investors include Seraphim Space Investment Trust, United Ventures, Indaco Venture Partners and Primo Ventures. USPACE has signed a term sheet with Abu Dhabi Ports Company in relation to the development of Abu Dhabi Space Eco-City in UAE to provide commercial aerospace services worldwide. Upon completion, the Space Eco-City will bring together thousands of global enterprises to form an ecosystem of international space industry, providing comprehensive services for commercial space technology innovation and space trade worldwide. Vietnam's VinFast Auto is setting up an electric vehicle and battery manufacturing facility in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, which will have the capacity to produce 150,000 EVs in the first phase. The total investment in the 400-acre facility could eventually touch $1 billion. DJI, a world leader in civilian drones and creative camera technology, has launched DJI Flycart 30 to the global market. This delivery drone overcomes the challenges of traditional transportation with its large payload capacity, long operating range, high reliability and smart features. Now deliveries such as mountain transport, sea transport or emergency rescue transport can be carried out more efficiently and flexibly. Vexcel Data Program has launched its newest product line, 3D Cities, offering super detailed and realistic 3D digital twins of major metropolitan areas worldwide. This innovative technology leverages Vexcel's high-resolution aerial imagery and geospatial data to create immersive and accurate 3D models that span entire metro areas. The US Space Force is gearing up for a major upgrade of its launch infrastructure with the launch of the Digital Spaceport of the Future initiative. Space Force technology arm Space WERX is seeking proposals from small businesses through the Small Business Innovation Research and Small Business Technology Transfer programs worth $1.9 million each. This will be awarded to companies that come up with the most innovative and effective solutions for upgrading the aging IT infrastructure. The Space Development Agency has selected Rocket Lab USA, a provider of space launch services and advanced satellite technology, to design and build 18 Tranche 2 Transport Layer Beta Data Transport satellites. Rocket Lab will act as prime contractor for the $515 million firm fixed price agreement, leading the design, development, production, test and operations of the satellites, including procurement and integration of the payload subsystems.